Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel, and one thing I have learned is open packages on camera so that if there is a problem, it can be taken care of, and the seller, you have proof to the seller, let's say it like that. So I got this little package yesterday, and I was just going to open it, but I figured you might want to see. So my tracking on AliExpress, who should be paying me for all these commercials, said 3 dolls were delivered. I do not believe there are 3 dolls in here. But Darren said don't panic, they do that all the time. They say it was out for delivery when it was not. Okay, yep, lo and behold, it is only 2. I love these little mini Blythes, and we're doing the once a month giveaway as long as we can. You know, as I say, God willing and the creek don't rise. And I do face-ups on them and make clothing, and Darren makes all kinds of cute and clever 3D printed items for them. You'll want to see, oh, there's her face, okay. Wow, I'm gonna have to redo that hat. Oh, look, they have orange now. How cute is that? Little cupcake, let's check her eyes. Oh yeah, these are such cute little dolls. I do these in kind of a goth doll. I call them Friday, which is Wednesday Addams' middle name, as per the TV show 1963, when Wednesday ran away and Morticia was talking to the police about her runaway. Okay, so those are adorable. So those will have to get a little face up, and somebody's going to win those. Okay, I have a couple of announcements, a few. Darren and I have been talking about hosting another May the 4th Star Wars-y collab or challenge or whatever you want to call it, where we all upload videos that day with something space. This year, rather than just doing Star Wars, we're going to do all things space. So it can be anything, Star Trek, any kind of sci-fi, any kind of real, any dolls, your astronaut dolls, anything you want to show us. If you do a craft, we'd love to see a DIY or a show and tell. Show and tell is kind of like this. I took a sock, and these are the top part, and this was the bottom part, and I tucked it under just a little bit so that it still had the stretch. I sewed it by hand, but I sewed like 3 stitches, tied it off, went a little bit, did 3 stitches, tied it off, went a little bit, so that the stretch would still be in it, because it really has to stretch here. And then she's getting a new head, so I made this girl a little dress that I'm still working. Oh gosh, did I fight this yesterday and today. I really like this dress. It is a 14-inch doll pattern that I reconstructed to have 2 sleeves and a little wider and thicker, or more scooped over the belly. And then I tried those snaps that you bang in. I broke a nail, and I must have hollered, probably damn it, and my dog came, and then I hit my thumb because she put her nose in it. Yeah, she thinks her nose is, or her name is damn it, I think. These little beads that I put in around the gather are to represent the little knob that Grogu plays with from the show The Mandalorian. See, I can't talk. But, okay, come on, this is funny. Doesn't it look like cupcake sprinkles? I love this doll. I am having so much fun with her. I cannot wait to get the other head on. Okay, all things space. Darren bought me these. I love them. They're from the movie Wall-E. This is my birthday month, and he gives me a gift a day. These were 2 different days, so I thought they were fun. Don't forget about the St. Louis. The doll show in St. Louis is July 31st through August 3rd. People are already booking their hotel rooms and flights to come. I think there are 7 people with a almost definite yes, they are coming. Jamie, let's talk about it with Jamie and I, are trying to host some things in town. We want to do a meet and greet where we meet other YouTubers. We would love it if you could each come. That would be so fun. And we're trying to find a place where we can do some filming, do some lives while we're talking to one another, something like that. We also have some other activities and things in the works that I won't tell you, because if it doesn't work out, you know, I don't want you to be disappointed. J Dolls UK and I have the upcoming, every month we have the Dolls Gone Goth Challenge, and Peace Craft Dolls, Tammy, Polly, and I will be hosting the 1960s Hippies coming up. So there's a lot of challenges and fun things to do in the doll world right now on YouTube, and I hope you will participate. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.